All right, the first thing that you want to do is draw your X and Y axis. Use a ruler, that's important. And I would probably count off my axes, number it by 5s, just so I can keep track of where I am. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, negative 10. You get the idea. So that's the first thing you need to do, is create your X and Y coordinate grid. All right, once you have your X and Y coordinate grid drawn, now you need to start drawing some lines. I think that the lines with positive and negative slope are much harder than the vertical and horizontal lines. So I'm going to start with drawing some lines with positive slope. So I'm just going to randomly pick a y-intercept. B is 5. I'm going to let B equal 5. And I'm just going to count a slope of maybe 2/3. Up 2 over 1, 2, 3. Up 2 over 1, 2, 3. And I'm just going to put some light points there, so that way I can connect those. I'm going to go down 2 to the left 3, down 2 to the left 3. And I am going to use a ruler, connect those points. So I already have my first line. So I'm going to write the equation to that. My first line, I'm going to number it line 1. This is my lines with positive slope. And I need 8 of these, 8 lines. So this is the equation y equals, let's see, what was my slope again? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I have a slope of 2/3 x plus 5. All right, let's do our second line. What about if I start here at 2? I'm going to make this one cross the y-axis at 2, and I want this line to have a slope of 7/2. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 1, 2. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 1, 2. And I'm going to do the same thing going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 1, 2. Again, I'm just arbitrarily picking a y-intercept and a slope. You can pick whichever ones you want. And I'm going to graph that line. So this was line 1. I'm going to number it. This is line 2. I'm going to try and number all of my lines with positive slope on the left side of my paper and all of my lines with negative slope on the right side. That's just going to help me personally. You don't have to do that. So let's see, line 2, y equals, we said that this had a slope of 7/2 x plus 2 because it went through the y-intercept at 2. And that's it. All right, now you have 2 examples of positive slope. Let's do an example of negative slope. I want my y-intercept to be at 15. I want this line to have a slope of -3/5. Oh, that fly's killing me. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I'm going to graph my line. Has negative slope. I know it's negative because as I look at it from left to right, it goes down. And I'm going to number this as line number 9. So let's see, lines with negative slope. So this was line number 9, and it had the equation y equals, I went down 1, 2, 3 over 5, -3/5 x plus, I crossed the y-axis at 15. Let's do one more with negative slope. I'm going to cross the y-axis at 15 again, but this one is going to have a slope of -3 over 2. Down 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2. Down 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2. Down 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2. I do not recommend doing this with a Sharpie. I'm just trying to do this in Sharpie so you can see it in the video. So this is line number 10. This is the equation for number 10. Y equals, I did -3/2 x plus 15. Okay, if I wanted to draw a vertical line, let's put a vertical line in here. I can put it wherever I want. This is my stained glass. So here is my vertical line. Well, let's see, this is at the x as equal to -8. So my vertical line, x equals -8. I'm going to number this number 17. What if I wanted to do a horizontal line? Because remember, we need 5 vertical and 5 horizontal. Let's put my horizontal line right here. Horizontal line. Well, that's at the equation y equals -10. Okay? So once you have drawn 8 lines with positive slope, 8 lines with negative slope, 5 vertical and 5 horizontal, then you can, and you've written your equations, then you can start coloring this in. There is no reason, absolutely 0 reason, why you cannot get your lines drawn on Thursday and your coloring done on Friday. Okay? So I expect to see great things when I come back. I want all of you guys to have a wonderful Christmas and be excellent for the subs. Thank you.